Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you all how to make your DIY glow marks. I know a lot of people want to have that clear skin, glowing skin, so I'm going to show you how to use just 3 ingredients to make that glow marks. So if this sounds like something you're interested in knowing, do keep on watching this video. Welcome back guys. So to make this glow marks you need just 3 ingredients like I've said. So let's just get right into this video. But before we continue, if you haven't subscribed, do well to hit the subscription button below and hit that notification bell to get notified when I drop new videos. And if you've subscribed, thank you for subscribing. Don't forget to like this video and share. To make these marks you need your apple cider vinegar. Now this apple cider vinegar is very good for treating sunburn and stubborn acne. It also helps to exfoliate the skin. It acts like a skin toner, especially for oily skin, and it treats wrinkles. So the next thing we are going to need is our turmeric. Turmeric is a very key ingredient in making black soap, because turmeric also helps to treat pimples and scars. So this glow marks is going to help you eradicate dark spots and pimples, and it's very good for dry skin also because it helps to treat aging and delays aging, and also helps to fade stretch marks. The next ingredient we are going to use is our BETONITE clay. BETONITE clay is a very fine white textured clay, and it is very good for treating rashes, and it is also used to treat acne, and it is used in hair products. It is a very major ingredient of almost all skin products because it helps to remove oils. It is like an attachment when used on the face. It is like an attachment that helps to remove oils or debris or toxins when washed off. So it is very advisable to use this for oily skin. So when making these glow marks, you would need plastic spoons or plastic stirrer. Please do not use any metal because it would inactivate the clay. Now I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of my turmeric. This is my half tablespoon, so I'm going to take 2 of that. Now we'll be adding just a little bit of the BETONITE clay. Just a little is enough for these glow marks. Then you would add just the right amount of the apple cider vinegar to make a thick paste. Just enough to make a thick paste. Then you stir the mixture together to make everything evenly incorporated. So guys, this is what this marks looks like. You apply these marks 4 times in a week and you see the changes to your skin. If you love this video and you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment and share this video. See you all in my next video. Bye.